This is the latest news for Amazon sellers. Amazon has updated their product documentation policy, and in this video we'll cover the new policy and how it impacts sellers, the products this will impact, and how to upload your product documentation. So let's go look at the policy right now and determine what it says and how it will impact you as the seller. So here we are on the news section in Amazon Seller Central. Effective September 30th, 2024, if Amazon requires you to submit product compliance documents, these must be submitted and approved before you can list the product. Jumping over to the third paragraph, this update does not make changes to existing compliance requirements and existing product listings will not be impacted. New products won't be listed until all required compliance documentation has been submitted and approved. And you can do this through the Manage All Inventory dashboard. So what this means for sellers is if you already have a product listed, it won't really impact you. I don't think they're looking to take down listings. However, if you're aiming to release a new product and make a new listing, you will require product compliance documentation depending on what kind of product you're selling. The following products are something that would be categorized for compliance documentation. These include, but not limited to, children's toys, electronics and batteries, dietary supplements, beauty products, and more. To determine whether you need product compliance documentation, Amazon Seller Central will tell you whether you need them or not. And guys, be careful what you list on your listing. For example, if you claim that something is antibacterial or antimicrobial, you will likely have to show compliance documentation or proof that it is what you claim it is. This also includes claiming material quality or purity. For example, if you say 100% leather, you will have to provide proof of that. To get compliance documentation, you simply have to ask your manufacturer to do some third-party testing, or if they won't do it, you can manually do it yourself. And what you would normally have to do is simply look up using Google some third-party lab testing to determine what you are looking to test, and give them samples of your product. And they would give you product documentation that you can then take to Amazon. As to how you can upload documentation, well, let's go back into Seller Central and walk through this. Okay, so here we are in Seller Central. At the top left, click the three lines, go to inventory and manage all inventory, and then click the product in which you need to upload product compliance documentation for. Click the three dots and edit listing. Obviously, this is more applicable for new products because that is what's mandatory here. If you're uploading a new listing, new product, it'll take you to the same page. And when you are here, go to safety and compliance and effectively just go through these questions. And guys, keep in mind that it is your responsibility to determine what documentation you will need. Usually Amazon will tell you what they need, but regardless, let's go through this real quickly. So country, region of origin, so wherever your manufacturer is. Obviously, ours is in China. Are batteries required? Yes or no? Dangerous good regulations. Honestly, you can determine this from your manufacturer themselves. They usually have to have something fulfilled as well before they ship out any dangerous goods or dangerous goods products to you. Item weight, straightforward. California Proposition 65. So this is typically for products that can potentially be cancer causing or have prenatal effects on women. Pesticide marking, if it has pesticide issues at all. FCC, radio frequency emissions, so usually anything related to cell phones or anything else. Regulatory compliance certification and compliance media. So this is really what I wanted to show you guys. So in this section, you will have to upload the actual documentation that you need to submit to Amazon. And keep in mind that they want a direct download link. So identify what kind of documentation it is, the language in which you're providing it, and it's usually the language for the country that you're selling it in. And then upload a link where they can download the document. Now, like I said, it needs to be a direct download, not an online browser view. I'll show you how to do a direct download. So here is Google Drive. This also applies to Dropbox or any other file sharing services that you might use. I have an example documentation here regarding WMIS. If you click the three dots and you click share and you say share here and copy link, make sure you say anyone with link and can be viewer editor. It doesn't really matter, but copy link, and you copy this link and you paste it. This is what you would paste in. This won't work. They won't appreciate this. They want a direct download link. So how do you do that? Well, in Google, you can simply type in how to make direct download link Google Drive and click the first option. We'll also put this link on the screen here, so you can just copy and paste. It'll take you to this website. You type in the link that we shared from the Google Drive in here, and then click create direct link. Then you just simply copy and paste. And if you put this in the browser now, what happens is that instead of opening the document, it'll actually download it and open it up. And as you can see, instead of opening in the browser, it opens in Adobe Acrobat Reader, and it gives you the documentation itself. Take the same link that we just pasted into the browser to download into the compliance media page right here, and then simply save and finish. And there you have it, guys. I hope that was helpful. And as always, if you found it helpful, like the video and subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest Amazon news and to obtain PPC tips, tricks, and hacks. If you want to learn more on how you can improve your Amazon ads to increase your revenue and your profit, you can obtain a free copy of our ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Amazon Ads, Advanced Tactics, and Best Practices. This book has received a 4.8 out of 5-star rating on Amazon and has helped beginners and advanced sellers alike. But you don't have to take my word for it. You can simply go to the Amazon page and read the reviews yourself. To get a free copy, sign up to our emailing list in the description below. If you want more one-on-one help to learn how you can grow your brand, click the Calendly link below to schedule a free one-on-one strategy call to learn more about how we can increase your revenue and your profit for your Amazon brand. Until next time, guys, happy selling.